Hi guys, I'm sorry that I was late in getting this to you. I hope that this is getting to you in time to make your end of year movies. I just wanted to show you how to take your photo story or Windows Movie Maker files, not your project files, but your video files. So you'll have to make sure that it ends in that extension WMV. You are going to log into your YouTube account from ClassLink. When you go to your YouTube account, you are going to click on mine has Lisa Bruce and a picture of me. Yours might just have the letter of your first name. You're going to go to your Creator Studio. When you get to your Creator Studio, you'll see a arrow with a line under it. That's the upload button. When you click on upload, you're going to come and navigate to wherever you have those files saved. I forgot where I saved them, so I'm just going to look for Lisa photo story. And hopefully it's on my pen drive. Let me see. And there it is. So you'll notice that that's not the MP3 or, excuse me, WP3, but it's actually the movie file. I'm going to go through, I'm going to open it. You're going to let it upload, and then you're going to publish it. You can also come over here and you can make it private. You can make it unlisted. I believe if you make it private, the only people that would be able to open it are people that have the actual link that you're going to give to them. When it's done uploading, you'll click publish, and then you'll see over here that this is where your video link can be found. So you can copy that link right there and you can give that to your parents. You could link that to your It's Learning page. You could, link it to your newsletters, however you want to communicate that with your parents. But it will be a part of your YouTube channel and it will be there for you. To go back and look at the ones that you have. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click publish. It's going to do it when it's done. But if you go to your video manager will show you all of the videos that you have. You can come back here and you can get the link from here. You can download it as an MP4, your parents can. And you'll have this video then to share with them. I hope that this is helpful. If you need anything else from me, just give me a shout. Good night.